today we will be doing our exercise 3.6, and for this I am doing question number 1, second part, right? So now what is happening here is root x and root y both are in the denominator. So this is not in the form of a linear equation. So we have to convert this in the form of a linear, right? So what can I do here? I will just put 1 upon root x as u and 1 upon root y as v. Okay, so just we will change the above given equations. So we will get here 2u plus 3v is equals to 2, and we will get for there 4u minus 9v is equals to minus 1. Okay, so we have just converted in the form of a new variable u and v. Now we will solve this. Now you can see here it is 4. I can just eliminate the u variable by just multiplying the above first equation with 2. Right? So what will I get here? I will get here 4u plus 2 into 3, that is 6v is equals to 4, and here it is nothing but 4u minus 9v is equals to minus 1. So now since both are having the same sign, we will just subtract the equations and change the sign. So here we will be just doing plus. So 4u and minus 4u will get cancelled. 6 plus 9 will give you 15. V is equals to 4 plus 1 will give you 5. So now the value of V will be nothing but 5, and this will go 3 times. So V will be nothing but 1 upon 3. So now we have got for the value V is equals to 1 by 3. Now we will just substitute the value of V in any of the equation here. Right? So just let me put it here. So what will I get? 4u minus 9 into 1 upon 3 is equals to minus 1. So 3 and 9 will go 3 times. So I will get 4u minus 3 is equals to minus 1, or 4u is equals to minus 3 will go that side. We will be left with plus 3. So 3 minus 1 will give you 2, or u is equals to 1 by 2. Okay. So from here we have got the value of v and u. So when you put in this equation, what will I get? 1 upon root x I will use as u. We got it as 1 by 2, right? So 1 by 2, or we will get root x as 2, squaring both the sides, right? So we will get x as 2 square, that is we will get the value of x as 4. And similarly we will do here. What will I get from here? 1 by root y is nothing but, v was nothing but 1 by 3, right? So we will get root y is equals to 3, or y will be that thing but 3 square, or y will be equals to 9. So hence these are the two values of x and y. Right? I hope you have understood. Okay. Now we will move on to the same question, fourth part. Now here you can check that in the denominator it is x minus 1. Here also in the second equation it is x minus 1. And here y minus 2, y minus 2. So since the denominators are having a common variable type, right? So we will just put 1 upon x minus 1 as u and 1 upon y minus 2 as v. So when you put in the above form, you will get 5u plus v is equals to 2, and here you will get 6u minus 3v is equals to 1. Okay, now you can just multiply the above equation 1 and 2. Yes, by elimination method, if I substitute in this form, right? So what will I get here? Here we are left, here we will multiply the given thing with 3, the first equation by 3. So we will get here as 15u plus 3v is equals to 6, and here you will get 6u minus 3v is equals to 1. Now since here we are having the same, right, they are both like terms and opposite sign, we will add this equation. So you will be left here with 15 plus 6 we get 21u, this will get cancelled, is equals to 7, right? Or u is equals to 1 by 3. Okay, now here you can look into same, you will put it in any of the one equation. So I am substituting in 2. So you will get 6 into u value is 1 by 3 minus 3v is equals to 1. So 3 and 6 will go 2 times. So I am left with minus 3v is equals to 1. This will go that side. 1 minus 2 is nothing but minus 1. Okay, or v you will get it as nothing but 1 by 3. So here both u and v are 1 by 3, 1 by 3. These two value we will substitute in what we have actually taken. Okay, so here I will get 1 minus 1 upon x minus 1, u value was 1 by 3. So I will get x minus 1 is equal to 3 or x is equals to 4. And here I will get 1 upon y minus 2 is equals to 1 by 3 or y minus 2 is equals to 3 or y is equals to 5. So hence the value of x and y are these two. Okay, right? So children, we will move on to the same question, fifth part. Now you can see that both in the linear pair they are having a common denominator, right? So we have to just split the denominator. So when you split the denominator, you will get it here as 7x upon xy minus 2y upon xy is equal to 5. And here xx and yy will get cancelled. So you are left with 7 upon y minus 2 upon x is equals to 5. Right? Again, here also we will split 8x upon xy plus 7y upon xy will give you 15. So now x and x will get cancelled, y and y will get cancelled, and we are left with 8 by y plus 7 by x is equals to 15. Okay, now hence again we will substitute for 1 upon y to be u and 1 upon x to be v. So we will put 1 upon y is equals to u and 1 upon x is equals to v. Okay. So children, you will see here that I have just converted this. Right now what is there here? For the equation 1 and 2, I will multiply equation 1. I am making the v variable same. So I will just multiply this above by 7 and below I will multiply by 2. So the new equation will be 49u minus 14v is equals to 35. And from here I will get 16u plus 14v is equals to 30. Now you can see here that the v's coefficient are same with opposite sign. So I will just add both the equations. So 49 plus 16 will give you 65u. This will get cancelled is equal to 65. So u value is nothing but 1. Okay, right? Now again you will substitute the value of u in any one of the equation, right? So here I will get 7 into 1, right, minus 2v is equals to 5. So here I will get it as minus 2v is equals to 7. 5 minus 7. Okay, right? So we'll go that side. So minus 2v is equals to minus 2, or I will get the value of v as 1. So here both u and v are 1, right? So when both u and v are 1, we are just going to put it in what we have taken, right? So on y to be u and 1 upon x to be v, right? Yes, so hence y is nothing but 1 upon u and x is nothing but 1 upon v. So hence we will get y is equals to 1 upon 1 will be 1. And here I will get x is equals to 1 upon 1 will be 1. So hence the value of x and y are 1 and 1. Okay. Now children, just move on to the 8th part of question number 1. Now children, you can see here that 3x plus y and 3x plus y is common. And 3x minus y and 3x minus y is common. So whichever is the common part, you have to eliminate that part. Okay. So we will just put in place of 1 upon 3x plus y, you will take it as u, and in place of 1 upon 3x minus y, you will take it as v. Okay, so the new equations that we will get is, here I will be having with the first equation, I will get, here I will be taking u, so I will get u plus v is equals to 3 upon 4. 4 will go this side and you will get the final equation 4u plus 4v is equals to 3. Okay. And here I will get 1 upon 2u minus 1 upon 2v is equals to minus 1 upon 8. Right. So here 1 upon 2 is common. So I will get here as u minus v is equals to, this will go that side. Okay. After taking the common denominator, I will be getting upon 2 is equals to minus 1 upon 8. So 2 and this will get cancelled and you will be left with the part. Here 4u minus 4v is equals to minus 1. Right? Let's solve equation number 1 and this equation number 2. Right? So just I am writing here 4u plus 4v is equals to 3. Okay? Now see, you can see here that both are of same like terms with opposite sign. So we will add here. So 8u, this will get cancelled. This is equals to minus 1 plus 3 is 2. So u, I will get it as 1 by 4. Right? U will be 1 by 4. Now put the value of u in any of the one equation. You will get 4 into here 1 by 4 minus 4v is equals to minus 1. This will get cancelled. Here minus 1 is left. Okay. So you will get minus 4v is equals to minus 1. Here plus 1 will go that side, will become minus 2. Right? Or v will be nothing but so minus 4u is equals to minus 2. So minus this will go that side. So minus and minus will get cancelled. 2 and this will be 2. So v, I will get it as 1 by 2. Right? So the value of v will be 1 by 2. So since we have got the value of u and v, we will put it in back the what we have taken. So this was what we have taken. So from here we will get as, right, 1 upon 3x plus y. The value of u is nothing, you got it as 1 by 4. So you will get 3x plus y is equals to 4, right? And from here you will get 3x minus y is equals to 1 upon, v value was 1 by 2, right? So you will get 3x minus y is equals to 2. Now you will solve these two equations. So bring it here. So 3x minus y is equals to 2. Y and y will get cancelled. This will give you 6x is equals to 6 or x value is 1. Put this value in here. So 3 into 1 minus y is equals to 2. Minus y is nothing but minus 1. Okay? Plus 3 will go that side, will become minus 3. So 2 minus 3 is minus 1 or y value is 1. So hence these are the values of x and y. So I hope you have understood. Right? In my next video, we will go to question number 2. Thank you and have a nice day.